Okay, we've let our head set up and dry. What we want to do is we're going to sand this down so it'll be smoother with the back of the head. But before we do that, we want to put our pieces on here that we need. We want to make sure it all fits. So we got that back piece. Okay, so we're going to glue this piece on.
Plum? No, plum is darker. It's like a dark purple.
Okay. Taffy? Fuchsia. Taffy? Do you have any friends named Taffy?
No.
Taffy was the name of the singer, right? Yeah. The band that did Afternoon Delight. Taffy did. Oh, no kidding.
So we'll staple this end to hold it, then we can clamp it.
They also hosted their own summer replacement show, like the Starlight Vocal Band.
Yes.
We're going to do the same to this side. And make sure it all fits before you glue it.
Country Road?
I think so. His name is Taffy? Oh, well, he's one that said he also wrote.
Well,
No, I was talking about the Starland.
didn't they have a show on TV?
Yeah, he did. Just said.
I'm not paying attention either.
CBS. Real facts. I am sorry I asked if anyone has a friend named Taffy. Is it any wonder that
We got that on there.
hostility constantly? I always think because I'm a friend named Taffy. It's sort of a...
No.
Oh, yes, Taffy and I are going to be...
Like a bougie?
Because Taffy sounds kind
So
of
now
like
we'll clamp it.
No.
You don't think so?
Taffy. It has a crappy name.
Sounds like a clown. Like, hey, I'm Taffy. I don't like it. Taffy the clown could pull her tongue out and then it would
This will
fly
just
back.
help hold it all there.
You should see what Taffy the stripper can pull on.
And then what we'll do is we'll drill 2 holes in here so we can mount this on the back. And this you'll be able to take on and off if you need to.
You've never Bill, like a Muffy or a something like that. But
I know a Muffy.
really distinguished. Okay, yeah. Bill in the State Department. Bill and Taffy Danoff.
Now these pieces that we cut out in here, we're going to use that to make our ears out of.
It's so funny, the alarm went off. For those of you who didn't hear it, an alarm just went, the classic iPhone alarm. No one bothered to check because we all know it wouldn't be us. Except both Chris Waltz. Right. They both checked their phones. No, because last week, mine went off.
Yes.
Mistake. Sorry. Yeah. So,
This one, and then for the
move on. I'm so
the other one, just turn this over.
Broadcasting in the eye of a hurricane. Today seems especially out of sync.
If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
You're like that billboard. Remember the billboard? There's one of these in every city that says, if you lived here,
So we'll make our ears out of this.
you'd be home now.
Yeah.
I always thought, they're right.
Good billboard.
Yeah, they are effective. Yeah, it was coming out of Detroit. Granted, I had to move to Manhattan, Kansas. At least I did home.
Were you done with building
We're going to
Taffy?
mark this where it's going to be going.
Now you come to me and want me to say something. Wait, okay. So Taffy is probably short for taffeta. You hear that? Or it's a nickname. Either way. What about Muffy? Where does Muffy come from? How does somebody get the name Muffy? Okay, here's what's going to happen right now. That involves a pursuit. This is Chick McGee talking.
Mark this side.
If you know somebody doesn't fix Tom's microphone or button when he talks to Dean, it comes into my headphones. I'm going to kill someone.
So what we'll do now is we're going to take and we're going to sand this down, get it smooth with this part here, and then we'll be able to mount our sides. Thanks for watching.